Namaskar. Let's explore this Tishra Jati ka Parmelu ka Tukra. Let me explain this because this is rather a tricky Tukra, and there are a lot of subtle movements that are perhaps new to your vocabulary. We haven't really covered up to now. So let me take it step by step and slowly. We've already done the chand of Tishra Jati, which is takita dhekita takita dhekita. Now the entire Tukra is grooved in those three chands, three matras there. Tat tat ta drag dan dan. Now the movement for this is from Utpatti. You open your arms, tat tat ta tat tat tra drag dan dan. So tat tat ta drag dan dan. Once again, tat tat ta drag dan dan. Jhiji kitta, jhiji kitta, jhiji kitta. So there are three jhiji kitta. With the feet you will be doing three jhiji kitta. But with the movement you will only be doing two in two different directions. Which means at 1.5 you will move your body to the other side. 1 2 3 4 2 2 3 4 3 2 3 4. Okay? Jhiji katta, jhiji katta, jhiji katta. Tho is something as though you are flying it into the air. From this, when the wrists are together and palms are away from you, jhiji katta, jhiji katta, jhiji katta. See how the wrists are going? Tho. This is the tho movement. And it's new in your vocabulary at the moment, in your movement vocabulary. Tho. So you bend here and stretch. Tho, thudang, tak. Join the two edges of your palm. Tak, thun, tak. Once again, follow the formula of yato hasta, tato drishti. Wherever your hands are going, your eyes will follow. Jhijikat, tho, thudang, tak, thun, tak. The footwork is just simple. Put your body weight on your left leg, toes pointing, toes bending, and then toes pointing again. Jhijikat, tho, thudang, tak, thun, tak. Now tigdha dig dig thai is this movement. Tigdha dig dig thai. 1 2 3 4 5. A 5-step chakkar here or a spin. 1 2 3 4 5. Now you have tigdha dig dig thai, tigdha dig dig thai, tigdha dig dig thai. Another set, 3 sets of 5s here again. Now you can move in that direction, which is 1 2 3 4 5, 3 2 3 4 5, 3 2 3 4 5. The hand movement is just going all the way up to your elbow, the right up to your elbow of your left. Bring it all the way diagonally down, not tala but mid. Tigdha dig dig thai, tigdha dig dig thai, tigdha dig dig thai. Just the wrist movement, that's it. Let's do it with the feet. Tigdha dig dig thai, tigdha dig dig thai, tigdha dig dig thai. It looks even prettier if you walk in a diagonal as you move. Let's do it together. Tigdha dig dig thai, tigdha dig dig thai, tigdha dig dig thai. Okay? Now the other side. Jhijikat, tho, thudang, tak, thun, tak, tigdha dig dig thai. Now you have to go this way. Same step. 1 2 3 4 5, 2 2 3 4 5, 3 2 3 4 5. The third time, jhijikat. When you're doing your jhijikat, use the Sundari Griva here. Jhijikat, tho, thudang, tak, thun, tak, tigdha dig dig thai. Now you could take 5-step spins here. 1 2 3 4 5, 2 2 3 4 5, 3 2 3 4 5. That's how we do the Tishra Jati ka Tukra. Let's do this again as we go. Tat tat ta rag dan dan. झिझिकत 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 थो थोड़ंग तक थुन तक तिग था दिग दिग थई 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 झिझिकत थो थोड़ंग तक थुन तक तिग था दिग दिग थई 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 झिझिकत थो थोड़ंग तक थुन तक तिग था दिग दिग थई तिग था दिग दिग थई तिग था दिग दिग थई तिग था दिग दिग था. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you don't want to miss any of the videos we upload here, why not subscribe to the channel? Also, please do send us your feedback. It'll help us improve our program. Let's share. Happy dancing!